Today I'm going to try to fish off of the Hoover Dam. Don't drop your phone.
Ah! Oh no. And this Lake Mead definitely needs to get their water levels back up.
It's not as full. Holy shit, that's far.
Wait, it's good.
It might actually make it.
Test the limits.
Hold on, I'm going to move down though.
Keep going. A little more. More. More.
Oh, I'm edging it.
More.
I'm edging it right now.
More. More.
I know, I'm edging it.
More. Yay! Wait, no. Imagine if you actually caught a fish right here.
Alright, now we gotta do it back up.
No, you gotta catch a fish.
I know, but I'm gonna do a full cast. I was just seeing if it'll fit first. So I don't
Oh, okay.
now I can do a full cast. Look how fast they're reeling.
Why don't you actually go fishing off of here?
Because I need to bring it back up so I can do a full, proper cast.
Oh, okay.
Alright, you ready? You still filming?
Yep.
Full one.
This might be a world record if you actually get a fish on here.
It's still spinning.
Try to touch the bottom of the... There's probably not many fish because they don't want to get sucked into the vortex.
Okay, now you're having all this extra line out. And it's tight. That's what she said. See if you can see the left side of the water. Okay, it's out of the water, I think.
Oh yeah, I see it.
See it?
It's like spinning around.
Yep. Alright, cool. Just gonna mark it. Now it's tight. Again, what she said.
You might get a Guinness World Record if you actually catch a fish right here.
I better catch a fish.
Fish.
Okay, right there.
You got one?
No.
Oh. I thought you got one on the line.
Yeah, I wish. No, I'm just getting my casting right, and now I just. I don't think we're getting one on the line. That's where the cops No,
No.
my first time. Yeah, but I mean, I'm hoping to get one.
Catch this bird right here.
I don't think there'll be very many fish, but I can certainly try.
You're gonna have a better chance if you go upstream. Like if you go further towards that way, yeah.
Okay, so when it goes like this, you gotta fish it. Or it got sucked into the dam. Are you still filming?
Yeah.
You can cut the camera, it's gonna be a minute.
All right, we're gonna try on this side now.
You can see where the water starts.
Yeah. I think it might have hit the dam.
Yeah, it's hitting it. I'm watching it just tumble down. No, not on this side.
Definitely not on that side. If he does, it's a story.
I'm just doing it to see how far. Oh, crap. Okay, it's at the bottom.
Wait, why are there like cars down there?
There's no way it's all the way down. There's no way it's all the way down.
Yeah, I'm just The other side has water.
You got your fish stuck on.
I know. It's not real fish. I got my bait stuck on.
Yeah, though, that's why they don't pull out your line while you're not in the water. Okay. You want to try it this side, closer to the middle?
Sure. This one I'm giving it everything.
All right.
Ready?
Hold on, let's go over here.
You gotta go all out. You gotta have to go all out on this camera. Tell me if it lands. We don't want to get too close because then the security will see us.
All right, go.
Okay, ready?
Ready, set,
Wait, I gotta wait. Come on.
go. I don't see. Oh, there it is. In the water.
Thank you. I kind of just like casting it off the dam.
You ever done fishing off the Hoover Dam before?
No. It's questionably legal. It's in the gray zone.
Well, I mean, technically we're between states right now, so no one knows.
You're not gonna chase us across state lines, right?
Yeah.
Okay, see you. Do another big one.
Oh, you reeled it back up. I thought you said you were giving it everything you had. All right. 1, 2, 3, go. All right.
Come.
Water. How far down do you think it is on this side?
A lot.
Probably like 200 or 300 feet.
Well, my line is 200. I think it might only be 150.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna let all the lines go.
How about on that side?
It might be closer to the brain.
You're not even trying to fish. You're just freaking casting it over and over and over again.
I'm trying to get it right at the tip of the water because that's where the fish.
Yeah, surface. Should we do a bottle flip on the edge here and not try to fall off? Nah, that's a bit too risky.
No, it's fine.
I don't wanna risk polluting the water though. Oh, you're like really close to getting it back up. There it is. All right, got a pebble here. Oh, you know what? Might not want to do it here because it could interfere with the rocks over there. Let's go one more.
Could interfere with something else.
Yeah, here. It's still, the rocks are still sticking out a little bit. You want to go one more? Alrighty.
Got caught.
Alright, I'm gonna put mine down the slot, alright?
Alright. see it. Nice.
I don't see it anymore. Where is it?
Alright, ready?
Yeah.